today I'll be showing you how to make peanut butter cookies. The first thing you need is some sugar, brown sugar, peanut butter, 2 eggs, vanilla, salt, baking soda, baking powder, flour, and some butter. The first thing you do is put in your sugar. Next, you put in your peanut butter. Now, we're gonna add in our brown sugar. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna add in 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands, so I'll see you later. I'm back. Now we're gonna mix the eggs. Now that we're done mixing, now we're gonna put in our vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Now we're gonna put in our baking soda and our baking powder. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna put in our flour. Make sure you put in your flour slowly. Now let's mix it all together. After we're done mixing it, now we're going to form little balls. Open. Once you're done with your bowls, now we're gonna crisscross them with a fork. Now we're gonna put them in the oven. So see you in a little bit. After they come out of the oven, you could try them with the jelly. It does not matter it's okay if you use grape or strawberry, but today we're gonna do strawberry. And you could just leave them plain if you like. But Try to get to cookies that are the same size to put in your jelly. Now we're gonna try them. They come out super good. I wish you could try them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, I'm hiding a bake, so you remember those cookies I made? They're right here.